Okay. It's coming. It's about to the first bar, but it's only half the trailer load.
I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through to make those rainbows in my mind. When I think of you sometime, and I want to spend some time with you, just the two of us. We can make it if we try, just the two of us.
Just the two of us.
Just the two of us, building castles in the sky. Just the two of us, you and I. We look for love, no time for tears. Wasted water's all that is, and it don't make no flowers grow. Good things might come to those who wait, but not for those who wait too late. We gotta go for all we know. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us.
Just the two of us.
Just the two of us. Building them castles in the sky. Just the two of us. You and I.
Just the two of us. We can make it just the two of us. Just the two of us. We can make it just the two of us. Just the two of us. We can make it just the two of us.
Yeah, come on back though. All right, that's good. That enough for you to pull out of it, like for it to spread? Hot dog. Let me get in front of you. Got too much weight behind you. And see it put more pressure on the drive axle. Getting out here in this stuff. Jack might use the chain back. Okay. It's coming. It's about to the first bar, but it's only half the trailer load. That got it. Then you don't know what it's called, positive traction. With both sides, the brother though. Oh, positive traction stopping to start slow. Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. You got road tread. No place to have no big knobby tires in here nowhere though. Red sleep. Where the chain goes.
I hear the crystal raindrops.
Sorry about trying to clean this filter here out. Oh, okay.
Darling, when the morning comes and I see the
Keep the
rising
extra.
sun,
Oh, you got
I
one
will
up.
be one
I see what you did.
just the two of us.
Yeah, 'cause that stuff
We
gets
can
dusty.
make it if we try. Just the two of us.
About
Just the two of
yeah.
us. Feeling big hats, but we don't
How you had
mind.
this?
Just the two of us. You and I.